Hey guys, Friday, May 8th. This is our math video. If we remember correctly, last time in math we started time and we made our own clock. Well, we started to make our own clock. And this is mine. So your assignment was to fill in 4 blank boxes of what numbers came next in the clock. So your clock should look like this. I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can see it. So let's go over how the clock works one more time. Remember, we started at 12. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and back to 12. Round and round we go, right? So for our warm-up today, what we're going to do, we're going to practice saying the phrase, o'clock. I'm going to say it again. O'clock. I want you guys to say it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. O'clock. So the way this warm-up works is I'm going to point to the number and we're going to say the number and o'clock. For example, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and on and on and on. All right? So I want you guys to say it with me. I don't want to be the only one doing it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Ooh, it's getting a little tough. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock again. So today we're going to break down the clock like we've been doing, little by little, so we understand the whole thing. Today our main goal is to focus on the two hands of the clock. No, not these hands. Let me show you. These hands. They don't really look like hands, do they? Well, they're not really human hands. They look more like arrows. So yeah, they don't really look like human hands. They kind of look more like arrows. If you look at a circle clock, that's what they have. And there's only 2 hands. You know how we have 2 hands? Clocks only have 2 hands too. Except clocks don't have fingers or palms or wrists. They only have arrows. But anyway, the 2 hands of the clock are different. Another difference. See, my right hand looks kind of like my left hand. But the hands of a clock, this says hour, and this says minute. This hour hand is much shorter than the minute hand, okay? And today we're only focusing on hours. So today we're learning the hour hand. I drew a tiny little picture of the hour hand and the minute hand. Which hand is longer? The minute hand is longer, so which hand is shorter? The hour hand is shorter, right? And I'm just going to show you. All right, bear with me. So here's the number 12, and then we're going this way. 1, 2, 3, but I drew over here, I don't even know what you would call it, but I drew a little sign showing you where the hour of 1 o'clock is. Hour of 1 o'clock goes from the 1 all the way to the 2, and then you're at 2 o'clock. And then so basically, all this is 1 o'clock, and all this is 2 o'clock. All right? So I'm going to draw 3 o'clock. That's 3 o'clock. Right there. Because it's pointing right at the 3. But if I pointed it like this way, well, if you follow the dotted line, that isn't really at the 4 yet. It's still in the 3. So that's still 3 o'clock. All right? So your challenge today is draw me a picture of a small arrow hand going to 10 o'clock. All right? Good luck. Take a picture. Send the picture.